Hello, today we're going to talk about the parallel minor scale. So we're starting from C major. Alright, so what is the parallel minor of C major? It's C minor. So C natural minor, which you don't raise any notes, but play the three flats, alright, of the key signature. B flat, E flat, and then the A flat. Alright, so C natural minor becomes the parallel minor scale of C major scale. Alright, so that's how you draw the C natural minor scale. Alright, which is the key signature of three flats B, E, A. Alright, it starts from C, same as the C major. D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Alright, so you have three flats to play for C minor scale, which you don't raise any notes, so that's a C natural minor, which becomes the C parallel minor of C major. Alright, then what would be the relative minor of C major? Move down by 3 semitones below C, 1, 2, 3. So you have to start counting one below, which is starting from B, 1, 2, 3. So A minor becomes the relative minor of C major. There are three types of a minor scale that I'm going to talk about. Alright, so the A minor is the relative minor of C major. And in terms of minor, there are three types of minor, which is the natural minor, harmonic minor, and the melodic minor. So natural minor, as I mentioned earlier, you don't raise any notes intentionally, just to play the same key signature as the relative major, C major, right? So there's no sharp, no flat for C major, so that's the A minor scale. So this is how the natural minor of A works, okay? All right, so starting from A, all right, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So that is how the natural minor scale looks like. Harmonic minor, you have to raise the sevenths going up and down, all right? So the natural minor, you don't raise any note, but harmonic minor, you have to raise the sevenths on the way up and on the way down. Starting from A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, okay? Because the G is the seventh of A, which you need to raise by semitone, and that is how the harmonic minor works, okay? And it ends with A, all right? And then you play the exact same thing on the way down, all right? All right, now let's talk about the melodic minor. So melodic minor, you on the way up, you raise 6 and 7. On the way down, cancels out whatever the notes you raise, and then just play natural minor. All right, so that's what I'm drawing now here. All right, so we're starting from A, B, C, D, E, and then you have to raise the 6, which is F sharp, and also raise the 7th, which is a G. So that becomes a G sharp and ends with A. But on the way down, cancels out all the sharps that you play and then play natural minor. So on the way down, just a natural G, just natural F, and then the rest of them, the same as how you play on the way up. Alright, so remember the melodic minor, you're going to raise 6 and 7th by 1 semitone, but on the way down, you have to cancel out whatever the sharps you play, alright, and then just play natural minor scale. So that's how the natural minor, harmonic minor, and melodic minor works, okay?